In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get all 3 Haki Fast here and Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, interact with the teleporter. We're going to teleport to a few different islands. The first island that you're going to want to go to is Desert Island because this is where Observation Haki is located. So make your way here all the way over to this side little building just like so. And this is the Observation Haki. Go ahead and talk to the trainer to unlock it. And then you just got to press H to use it. And it lets you dodge attacks and you level it up by dodging more in combat. Up next, we have the armament Haki. To get this one, you need to make your way over to Snow Island. If you make your way all the way to the very back of the island itself, you'll see the Haki trainer kind of on this ledge. Interact with her right here, start that Haki quest. And it's just like killing enemies and using the combat moves. Once it's unlocked, just hit G in order to use it. But up next, we actually have the Conqueror Haki, which does require the previous 2 Hakis, but make your way to Shibuya Station. Once you're at Shibuya Station, find the trainer. She's going to be located all the way in the back. If you make your way past like the main little building right here, and then on top of this ledge, that's where the Conqueror Haki is going to be. Interact with this guy right here, and then of course you do need Ascension level 5, the Armament level 40, and Observation 25, plus a whole quest line that you have to go ahead and complete, and you'll get this one. Once done though, Conqueror Haki actually activates automatically, but that is it. Just unlock all 3, level them up, and you'll be good to go. If you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.